With the TTAADC election fast approaching, the Indigenous People's Front of Tripura has intensified its grassroots outreach. On Sunday, party nominee Dhananjay Reang led an extensive door-to-door campaign across the Uttar Maharani area to garner support from the local electorate.
IPFT Dhananjay Reang
The campaign saw a significant turnout of party workers and supporters. Joining the candidate were several high-ranking leaders, including Sunil Devarma, BSc chairman, and prominent regional party executives. During the drive, Dhananjay Reang visited individual households, engaging in direct dialogue with the voters. The interaction focused on understanding local grievances and presenting the party's vision for the tribal council development.
Chini am sayo dur tu dur khlaye kubangma jagao ang beraye jotona ashirwad dikha jotona no joy khlainan bagui boro ashirwad diwe khorang me ano proshno khaika nungno jitiri ri ro khangke nungta mu khlainai abo hairo proshno ka saman bisinte ang kok saka borongno noroni ashirwad mane ang jiti khangke noroni samoisa समाधान आं खालायनाय आबो अबश्य आं ओ लोकेलनि बरक ओ थाइनि बरक आं जिति थांबो जागान अतंनाय बरनि दुख सुख ख आमं जत साइमानो बरना का हमखैना बरक नायखलै तिलां थानाय हिनि कग्रि मानि परे जत बरक नानो आशीर्वाद खालायका नुंनो जितिनाय नुंनो खोख्लायनाय नुनि चिन्तकै तंदिने आनो आशीर्वाद जांमानि बागे आं बेलायखे खुशी बेलायखे आं खाकसांगो बेलायखे Morong pai play a hambai bomaru. Kulum kajo tono asum.
IPFT. Babu. Chini.
The IPFT leadership emphasized that such ground-level connectivity remains the cornerstone of their strategy to retain influence within the TTAADC. Reporter Bihiran Moy from Chini, Khorang.